Hi, Croeso. This is a little tutorial on how to create a team within Teams. So I've logged into my Office 365 and as you can see I'm in Teams and these are the teams that I've already created. So I'm going to show you how to create a new one. So at the bottom we've got join or create a team and I'm going to click on that and it takes me through to a couple of different options. This is one that's been sent to me. I'm not going to be joining that one. So I'm going to create a team. And when I go into create a team, it's giving me options. So there's a couple of different options, but we're going to create one for our classes. So I'm going to choose class. So we're going to give our class a name. So we'll call this DCF. So I'm going to click next and put a description in if we want. And I can search for students here and teachers also, and the options for adding teachers is great because if you do create an assignment, then that teacher can see the assignment that you've created and they can assign that assignment to their classes as well. But we're not going to add in any students at the moment because there's a quicker way later on, so I'm going to skip this. So as you can see, our team is being created, and if I scroll down I've got a DCF team at the bottom here. Now there's 3 dots next to it, and if we click on that one we can go to manage team. There's a couple of different options then we've got coming across the top. So our members here shows our members. Here's the owner, so if you were to add any other staff they would be displayed here as well, and there's an option then to make them an owner or a member. An owner gives them options to see those assignments and see your team as if you were to see it, to mark work and so on. And a member would just be that they could see the assignments that you've set but not do anything with it apart from add their work to the assignment and hand that in and so on. So once your pupils have come in and sort of signed up to this team, they will be displayed at the bottom here. So there's different channels, and a channel is basically where you can create assignments and so on and create different things and add different apps to it. However, when you create assignments, the assignments are only attached to the general channel. If you're to create a new channel, you can't create assignments within those new channels. So for instance, I've done a scheme of work or a project on Office 365, created assignments within that, and then went to create a new project on Minecraft. And I wanted to create assignments on Minecraft where the pupils then could hand in their work based on the Minecraft projects. However, I wasn't able to do that, and Teams or Microsoft haven't allowed that to happen yet. So if you were to assign assignments, it's just within the Generals channel. Settings, this is where you can pick your themes, your member permissions and so on. But this is the one that I'll focus on at the moment with team code. So once you've set up your team and you want your pupils to come in and sign up to that team, if you click team code and generate, it generates this code. And if you click on full screen, then it displays that code at the front of the class then. So once the pupils are on the computer or laptops or iPads, not iPads actually, because we haven't installed the Teams app yet, however looking to do so, but just on laptops and PCs at the moment. I'll show you how to sign in as a pupil in the next video, but they would register with that code. The analytics here shows you how many people have come in, how many are on roll and so on, and different sort of messages that are being posted. Apps is a brilliant opportunity to bring in some of the other apps, not just Microsoft apps, but there's other ones like Nearpod and other apps available. If we click on more apps here, it gives us those options and we can search as well for those different apps as well. And you might be able to recognize some of those or search for some that you currently use elsewhere. So if I come back to my Teams, come down to my DCF. So coming across the top here, these are the tabs that we're going to look at. And in the files are your options then to add different files and folders, to sort of display those for the pupils. So if you're working on something, they can view those. So you can either create new here, you've got options for Word documents and so on, or you can upload something that you've already created from your folders on your desktop. There's options to get links, cloud storage, and SharePoint as well, but we'll leave that for now. Class Notebook is an option to really sort of look at delving deeper into sharing work, collaborative spaces, and opportunities for pupils then to be handed class notes, and for them to sort of write class notes as well. So that's another tutorial in itself. So the other option, the other sort of main point that I wanted to show today was the Assignments tab. And within the Assignments, it gives you the opportunity to do so, and I'm going to demonstrate that in a different screencast. So that's how to set up your team and then the general options that it gives you. Thank you very much. Diolch.